Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to tell you about our SpotOn Digital Soil Compaction Meter. We'll talk about soil compaction briefly, I'll explain the outstanding benefits of this meter, and I'll show you how to use the meter. Our meter is designed to ASABE standards for soil compaction testing. We CNC machine the components from solid materials, and it's 100% made in the USA. Our tip is made from high carbon stainless steel. We provide the tip protector cap, helps protect you from the sharp tip, and it stores in the handle when you're using the meter. We have a rubber guard that helps protect the display on the meter, and inside the meter we have an electronic force sensor that provides excellent sensitivity, and this allows you to take readings in both soft and firm soil, and you don't have to change to different tip sizes. As you will see in a moment, we also capture the peak compaction value and display it for each probing. When we first arrive in the field, we'll turn the meter on and we will zero the load cell. We are now ready to begin taking probings. Let me point out that there's an ASABE engineering practice that dictates a penetration speed of 72 inches per minute. What that means is that as we're pressing the meter into the ground, we want to take about 20 seconds to fully insert the meter. This is the proper speed. Notice the color-coded bar graph, which shows compaction levels relative to plant health. When you're done, you pull the meter back out. As you withdraw the meter from the soil, it will display the peak compaction for this probing. Soil is made up of solid particles and cavities or voids. There are small voids and large voids. The small voids typically hold water and the larger voids typically hold air. Plants need both air and water for their roots to grow. If you remove either, they will die. When soil compaction occurs, the large cavities are compressed down or eliminated. Now, these large cavities are also used for water infiltration, drainage, and nutrient movement within the soil. If soil is very dry, it's firm enough that these cavities, large cavities, will not be compressed. When the soil becomes very wet, the large cavities are filled with water, and that keeps them protected from compression as well. The danger zone for soil compaction is when the soil is well wetted, but there's still air in the large cavities. This is when heavy equipment can compact those cavities. As you can imagine, as you move through the soil profile, the moisture changes. So it may not be evident from surface conditions that you could be creating soil compaction with your equipment. It may be dry on the surface, but wet enough at a deeper depth that the soil can be compacted. This is why it's critical that you measure soil compaction, because you can't always predict it from your tillage operations. You won't be disappointed with your purchase of our SpotOn Digital Soil Compaction Meter. Please visit our website for other tools that we manufacture that will help you with your farming operation.